Hello everyone. Today I am going to share with you how can you make a course with some more benefits. How to make a course that is important for us. For making a course, you take too much time. But in this procedure, if you work in this procedure will be easy for you to work. The process is like this one. Suppose you want to make a course of class 9. Suppose I want to make a class course. How to make a course is important for us. How to make a course. How to make. How to make a course in 1 month. If we make courses, it takes a lot of time. So the course should be structured way. Suppose you want to make a course on class 9 ICSE board. Suppose ICSE board. If you make this course, suppose if you want to make a course of class 9 ICT SSC board and subject is mathematics. It will take lot of time to make this course because in mathematics syllabus is not less but it will take too much time. It will take too much time. How to make a course is important for us. It may takes too much time. Too much time. So what to do? There is a way to make a course. How to make? First of all, what you have to do? First of all, take online tuition for one student. For one student. Suppose the student is for class 9 ICC board and he wants to learn mathematics. Teach him. Teach him one on one online. When you teach, when you teach one on one, when you teach one on one, you get you get paid for that, paid for that every month because you are teaching one on one. Suppose the student is taking online tuitions from you and you fixed a price of rupees 3000 per month. Suppose you take 3 months to complete this course. Suppose you want to learn mathematics. In 3 months, in 3 months, in 3 months, your earning will be your earning will be 3000 into 3, that is equal to rupees 9000. That means in 3 months you have earned rupees 9000, and in that period you have uploaded the full course of class 9 ICC board. Now the course is complete, and in completing the course you have earned rupees 9,000 also. Now you can do what to do. Now you can sell this course. You can sell this course for rupees 1500. In this method, you see here, whenever you are making a course, you are earning also, and the same period you can sell the course also. Why it is 1 on 1? Because for the first 3 months you are earning rupees 9,000, and the rest months it depends on how many students join in the course. You are uploading the videos, number 1, number 2, number 3, all the videos. Besides that, you are taking online courses directly, online class also. Since this is 1 on 1 tuitions, you are earning rupees 9,000 in 3 months. In 3 months, you are earning rupees 9,000, and the course is completed also. And the course is completed in that period. So by making a course, you earn rupees 9,000. After that, put this course in a store. Put this course on your store, deleting the one-on-one interaction. So for a short period of time, that is in 3 months, you have earned rupees 9,000. Now also make a course. After that, you sell this course. Third point is sell this course. In this way, you can earn a course during making, and also you can sell the course. This is the method in which we make. First of all, we take a student, we teach him 1-on-1 and put all the videos of that class. Suppose I am taking mathematics of class 9. So when I am making a course, I have a earning also. Suppose I have a 3 months program. 3 months. In 3 months, I have to upload all the videos of this class 9 ICSE board mathematics. All the videos, all the chapters of this video. And we take online interaction also. And after deleting the online interactions after deleting, you can get all the recorded videos only. So we make a course with earning out rupees 9,000 also, and make that course, and after that you sell this course after deleting the one-on-one interaction. If you like this idea, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.